Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Claire, and today I'm going to talk a little bit about a keyword research tool. There are a lot of tools out there. Some are very expensive and some are very cheap. This one is kind of in the middle. What I like about this tool is that it already has done the research for you. So it tells you what keywords are going to be easy to rank and how fast they're going to be able to rank. It also gives a really good overview of different niches. You can also open up your mind to say other niches or ideas that you might not have thought of. The tool that I'm talking about is called Rank.IQ. I found this out from other bloggers and it's quite hard to find if you just try and search keyword research tool. But so far I'm actually really enjoying it. I don't find there are as many, say, tools within the platform that can use to say, provide, say, key search tells you about keyword research for YouTube, and it also has more content optimization. I found the content optimization within Rank.IQ pretty limited. Overall, I still think it's a really good tool and worth checking out because it might just spark an idea of you that something might be easier to rank than what you were thinking of. If you want to check it out, I'll leave a link down below. Please like and subscribe if you found this video useful, and until next time, take care.